Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is your host Jerry. I will bring you so many different stuff, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Just don't forget to click the like and subscribe. So let's go now for a fun ride.
The 1959 Impala convertible.
The owner of that car. Well, how you doing, sir? Volkswagen. That is so cool. How in the world is gonna run when the body is on the ground? It has an airbag in it. Hello?
Hello?
This is metal. He's got all the pictures in the world, and it has a story that he can tell from generation to generation.
It took me a year and a half to be able to have it on the road, about 2 years.
Those are anti-bullets. Look at that.
Yeah, that's right. I don't mind sharing it. That's why it's here.
Beautiful. I need the story of this truck. Of this. Tell me the story.
All right. It's a Jeep. Anyway,
It's a Jeep.
40 years ago, it was on a farm, and a farmer was using it to plow his fields.
With this one?
Yeah, with this.
Oh.
After the war, they sold them to anybody.
Yes.
And it became a nice, cheap tractor. You can plow your fields, go to the grocery store, all kinds of farm work. Well, I bought it because it was broke down. And so I joined a club, just like an antique car club for military vehicles. And they showed me what it was and where to get parts. And after 2 years of restoration, it turned out to be this. A 1941 Willys Jeep. And it has bullet holes in it. Maybe from the farmer who missed the deer and shot the gun. Who knows? You never know. You never can tell. Here's the bullet hole here.
There's the bullet holes.
Bullet hole right there.
That is crazy.
Could be from World War II. Who knows?
From World War II?
Yes, World War II, 1941.
So how long have you had this?
I had it 42 years now. I've been
Awesome.
driving it 42. I leave it just like this all the time. I drive it to Shepherdstown, or Hagerstown, Winchester. Sometimes the police get a call, some nuts driving around with a machine gun, and they say we know who he is, and he's safe. It's okay. It's a green Jeep.
Does that work?
No, that don't work. No, nothing.
But if it's worst case scenario, it ever works.
If you got a lot of money, yeah. Yeah. But I think it's easy. It's probably cheaper to buy a new one than put that one back in service.
Right.
Yeah. But
Did you put all of that or it's been there?
when I first got it, it only had the front seat. That's all it had. So I had to buy parts. I had to write letters to Panama or the Philippines, and I had to write letters. No kidding, the Philippines. Wonderful. I wrote letters to your country, and then the internet showed up, and just type in whatever you want, and 5 vendors show up. So you can get a lot of this stuff on the internet, and it comes right to your house.
That's a very interesting.
Yeah. So my message is, remember the military.
Oh yeah.
They're very.
We're not here if not from
That's
them.
exactly right. They do a good job, and we need to appreciate that.
Exactly.
And I believe everybody should do something for their country. And I believe all kids should leave the country and come back and see how good we have it.
Yep. Exactly. Yep. Boy, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in it. So where did you collect this?
Well, from gun shows and from gun stores, things like that.
Yeah. Are they live bullets?
They're empty. They're real, but they're empty. They were shot once, and then
they put them back together.
We have the 30 caliber machine gun. We have the British VLC, just the grease gun.
Yeah.
Just the 50 caliber up here. Back in the back, we have a bazooka.
Oh, they got bazooka.
All right, would Paul please come to the registration table
These are the bazooka rounds.
for raffles? Would Paul please come to the registration table
There's
for
the
raffles
bazooka.
for the premium parking spot?
That is awesome. I got the privilege to touch the bazooka.
Right.
Were you a soldier before, sir?
I was in the Air Force for 4 years.
He was in there for
I went to Vietnam.
so we have to give him a salute for all the hard work and the service he has done for the country. Thank you very much, sir. for the wonderful story of your Jeep. And this is gonna last forever.
Wow, thank you very much.
Yeah,
Nice talking
thank
to
you.
you. Nice meeting
Thank
you.
you once again. I had fun over there. You should be here.
Right there.
You're gonna have more fun just like me. People here are really nice.
Available, would you please come to
They're
the
so happy to
registration
share the
table
story of
for raffles.
their vehicles. And that's the beauty of it. Sweet! Here's the owner of this
Blair
lovely
Slingshot.
vehicle. A slingshot. So,
It's a 2015 Blair Slingshot. It's been painted by an artist, Sue Hopper, out of Lockridge, Iowa. She's painted in 5 different states. I've had this in 25 states. It's got
25 states.
It has 112,500 miles on it. It's painted up to show honor to all that have served and are serving their country. And I've done the 9/11 ride, the Rolling Thunder, the Fallen Officers ride.
Wow.
And all this is to contribute to anyone that does service to our country. And that's not just troops, that's fire, police, EMS, anybody.
Yeah.
This is called the Eagle Freedom. That's why I have freedom up there, all the eagles around. And it's a good little traveling vehicle. I
Yeah.
really enjoy it.
That is so awesome. It's so beautiful. Look at this shirt also. It's also like showing like the same as his vehicle.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I do.
So how long you have this vehicle?
It's a 2015 since it's been 4 years and 2 months.
It's been 4 years and 2 months. Let's take a look, guys, and then I'll take a picture of me with the nice vehicle. Look at that!
Sale
Thank
for
you very
the
much, sir,
premium
for sharing
parking
the
spot.
story of
It's
your
located right across the corner there.
Oh, I'm gonna
There's
get
a
in
couple
and take a
parking spots
picture.
there, and,
Look at the lovely lady
All right,
who
so-
owns the vehicle.
Hi, my name's Pam, and this is my 56 Chevy. He is a Bel Air, and he is a one-color Bel Air, which is a little bit rare.
That's nice. I had the privilege to have it on.
Yes, so this is an actual really rare car. His name is Duke, after the Duke of Earl, which is a song from the 50s sung by Gene Chandler. And if you know anything about 50s music, he used to come out in an entire white tuxedo. So this boy is named Duke. So he's a 56 Chevy. I do all the work myself, get my little nails dirty. So yep, I'm a
She
girl who gets
doesn't
them
look
dirty.
like, but look at her.
Okay.
It's like so pretty.
I live
And
a rockabilly lifestyle.
Mind
so.
you, she also danced really nicely. I saw her last time.
Thank you, that's so
Yeah.
nice. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the tour of the car. So there
We'll
you go.
have a
Have
tour.
look
She
around.
gives me a privilege to
Yep,
show her
take a look around
baby.
him. Yep, that's my baby.
Thank you so
Sure.
much.
You're welcome.
So, look at that. Isn't that cool? That is so awesome. Pretty. Can you believe that she did stuff on this car? Awesome. I want to do it too. I have to learn how to do it. Girl power. That's right. Girl power all the time. Yep. Very nice. And I would like to take a picture. Here we go, guys. I got the lovely lady with her lovely vehicle, which she did a lot of stuff on. That's awesome. Full power. Let's go further, and it's galore. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time. Bye.